Hello everyone, so today we are unboxing this, which is the Groovy Retro Series Portable CD Player, which has anti-skip protection, CDR, CD, RW playback, LCD display, and it's for when I go on holiday on the 18th of July to, I don't know when, but there'll be a whole family vlog video combined together, and it's for when I'm listening to my Big Finish Doctor Who audios. And on the side here, the features are CDR, CDW compatible, LCD display, 60-second anti-skip protection, 20 tracks, programmable memory, random and intro playback, repeat function, skip/screech function, 3.5mm stereo earpod jack or headphone jack, earpods included, low battery indicator, requires two AA batteries not included, and micro USB power input included. I have to use scissors. Where are my scissors? No! Oh, I'm gonna have to. I've done that now. Oh. Ah! Right. Now we can do it. Ready? Oh! We have the instructions on the model, and it tells me how to use it, which is that there. And it has, so we have the actual thing, and on this side, inside it has our ear. To look like stereos, they'll be easier to get onto your ears. And that's the box. Push my bottom. Right, it says here warning, brand can be damaged. Right, here we are. Here it is. Wow. Wow. And you have, that's what it looks like when you open it, and you, wow. And the batteries go there, so you put your batteries in there, then you do that. I'll have to, I don't know what that is, it's the black, wow. I'm going to be able to listen to quality Big Finish, quality, and now let's get into the earpods. Now let's open them, because I've never really opened that many earbuds that are actual non-Bluetooth. That's what they look like. Yeah. I don't know how they'll sound. That's a 3.3. Huh. Yep. That's it. That's all. So, we've got no Doctor Who on Twitch tonight. It starts back on Monday, which is tomorrow. And yeah, so yeah, I'm always Speedway on Monday, so there'll be a Speedway video either Tuesday or Wednesday. It depends on if I have any time to edit on Tuesday. So yeah, I'll see you in the next time on Tom Out.